Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Kakadash. Shalom to the elders, Bishop Word, truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through four quarters of the globe, Bishop Word, truthfully and sincerely as well too. I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson I want to bring out. This is from Reuters.com. As of September the 5th, 2023 at 10:23 a.m. Central Time, updated 11 hours ago. And this is from Asia Pacific, and it reads, magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake strikes New Guinea and Papua New Guinea. It says an earthquake of a 6.0 struck the New Guinea, Papua New Guinea, and Guinea region early on Wednesday. The German Research Center for Geosciences of GFZ says the quake was estimated at a depth of 10 kilometers and 6.2 miles. GFC is added. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And it reads through the Holy Scriptures. And this is from BibleGateway.com, or the Holy Scriptures, KJV version of the Holy Scriptures. And it reads Luke chapter 21, verse 11. And it reads, and great earthquakes, right? Great earthquakes. That's the key word. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall that be from heaven. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article of this earthquake took place in Papua New Guinea, in the Guinea region, as of early Wednesday. Because you know the time zones are kind of different over there in that area in comparison to the United States. So this is a news article by Reuters.com as of September 5th, 2023 at 10:23 a.m. Updated 11 hours ago, and it says again, magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake struck New Guinea and Papua New Guinea region. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Kakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered four quarters of the globe, preaching word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.